Adding your custom domain to your Canva websites. This feature is only available if you have Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, and Canva for Education users. Let's get started. Stay till the end and we will see how to get to this connected stage with your own domain inside Canva websites. And here's the completed website which is live with all the navigational links full setup. This is a landing page that we'll see how to create. Now I'm not going over the domain purchase process in this video, and I'm assuming that you already have and own a domain. If you don't have your own custom domain yet, you can purchase one from any famous domain companies. My domain is currently hosted at Google Domains, which is moving to Squarespace soon. Alright, now I'm on my Canva Pro account where we will see how to host the domain. Once you have your domain ready, get on to Canva here and then choose a website template that you like and customize it to your heart's content. And in the publishing section, choose these options on, like if you want to be the site to be responsive on mobile, check this box. This is checked by default, I guess. And then with navigation or without navigation, if you have any of the navigational buttons, you want to click this with navigation, so keep it intact. And then publish to use my existing domain. So these are the two options I see here, free domain and use my existing domain. For some reason they removed the option to purchase the domain here, which we used to see earlier, but for now I'm having this use my existing domain, so I'm clicking on this and clicking on continue button, and here you can see which domain you can add to. So I already have this domain called zeplo.com, which is what I'm going to connect to. So I'm going to type it here and then click on continue. As you can see, this is the Canva Pro feature. Wherever you see the crown, it means it's a Pro feature. So clicking on continue, and then we'll see connect domain. So this will take us through some automated steps, which will be much more easier when done, because I think with Google Domains, Canva has a good backend tie-up handshake process, which will make it all seamless. But if you want to do it manually, you can still do that by clicking on this button. But I'll choose to now go ahead with the connect domain connect domain automation here. Now before making any changes here, go to your domain's host settings page and take a screenshot of the existing DNS records like A record or the CNAME record and all the other DNS settings. Take a screenshot so that you will have a reference in case you would like to reset them in the future. So I'll click on this button, connect domain, which will take us through the Google Domains page where the connection will be done. And then this page opens up within Google Domains, which will ask us if we want to connect to domain to Canva, and then records to be deleted and replaced will all be given here. And in case you are doing this for the first time, this deletion and replacement message may not even show up. It will just ask you that these records to be added. Since I have already done this and then deleted just for the sake of this demo, I think it is asking to replace it. But you will not see this replace message. You might just see the records to be added. However it shows for you, just click on yes, connect. You will receive an email once all the records are connected, or if they need rechecking. That's it. As you can see, it was totally seamless. I didn't have to do anything here, and it says the zeplo.com is now connected to Canva. Now back to the design website here. I'll come over and click on publish. The publishing will take a minute or so, or maybe even lesser. And it says that the domain is being verified by the host. Alright, now let's go ahead and check the preview first. So this is how the preview looks. You can see my navigational links are all at the top, the menu bar, which works good. So now this is connected. If you are only seeing the Canva free domain option, and when you are going to the existing domain option and when you see this message, then obviously that means you do not have the Canva Pro version and you're using the Canva free version. In that case, you can go ahead with the free domain option, which will give you up to 5 subdomains within Canva, which I have explained in this video here. A quick tip on this side: if you have a custom domain but you do not have the Canva Pro account, then you can use that custom domain that you own to redirect to your Canva site that you created with your free version of Canva, so that you wouldn't need the Canva Pro account. It's not a great idea, but it's still a workaround if you don't want a Canva Pro account at this point.